How to fix TikTok profile view option not showing on iPhone. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is launch your settings, scroll down, navigate to the option of general. Now open this option iPhone storage. Now on this page you're going to find all the apps that are installed in your device. Head towards the app TikTok, then click on Offload app. Click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app. After you offload the app, click on Reinstall app. Once completion of reinstallation process, you can launch your TikTok app and check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards next solution, close this, launch your app store. At the top, you will see the search box. Over there, type in the app name TikTok and search for it. After app appears, at the right corner of the app, you'll find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update over here, just click on it and update your app to its latest version. After you update the app, you might find the option of TikTok profile view. Heading towards next solution, launch your TikTok app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now at the bottom, you're going to find different options. Navigate to the option of profile. Now click on three bars given at the top right corner. Navigate to the option of settings and privacy. Over here, you're going to find different sections. Scroll all the way down. Under support and about, you'll find the option of report a problem. Click on it. Now scroll down. At the end, you will see the option of chat with us. Click on it. Now over here you have to explain about the issue and have conversation with TikTok help desk. Once you do that, your problem will be fixed. Applying all these solutions, you can easily fix TikTok profile view option not showing on iPhone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.